यूट्यूब चैनल। सो इस वीडियो में आज हम देखने वाले हैं कि हाउ क्विकली वी कैन auto attach rule apply in inside Synchro 4D so that we can assign the 3D elements to our activity ID or task ID। so यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि हमारा ये जो मॉडल है ये ट्विन टावर मॉडल है और ये अभी इसके जितने एलिमेंट्स हैं वो ऑटो अटैच रूल के थ्रू यहाँ पे रिसोर्स से टास्क के थ्रू यहाँ पे पूरा लिंकेज प्रॉपर हुआ है, मैप किया हुआ है। सो इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसे सेलेक्ट करके सबको पहले मैं अनअसाइन कर देता हूँ। सो ओके, मैं यहाँ पे जाता हूँ, अनअसाइन फ्रॉम ऑल टास्क कर देता हूँ। यहाँ पे देखिए 6910 रिसोर्स ऑब्जेक्ट्स वॉच अनअसाइंड, 74,294 एलिमेंट्स। तो ओके, फिर से मैं यहाँ से एस्केप बटन प्रेस करता हूँ और अभी आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे एक भी एलिमेंट्स असाइन नहीं है। आप टाइम लाइनर को यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड करके। सो ओके, अभी हम देखते हैं कि हम कितना जल्दी इसको हाउ क्विकली वी कैन असाइन our 3D elements with our task ID. So first we need to go here in assign resource. We need to go here in assign resource. Then here one window is there, resource to tasks. So then we will click here and okay, I will apply a new rule here. Okay, so I will name it auto attach rule. And here one to one, or we need to give many to many. And okay, here we need to press here in add, and this is resource attribute and this is task attribute. So in our resource inside 3D model, we have created a user field, or we can say that the text parameter we have created inside our Revit model. So the parameter name is, the you need to choose here user field, because Synchro is getting it through user field. So actually what we have created inside the Revit, name it as project parameter or share parameter, that is basically is user field in Synchro 4D. So we need to choose here user field, and task attribute also we need to choose here the user field, because in Primavera I have created a user defined field where I have created a 4D task name. So basically not I have gone through the ID, activity ID. Instead of activity ID, I have created a user field inside our Primavera P6, and that is 4D task name. So okay, then again we will choose here user field, and then the same user field, that user field column name is 4D task name, and here that is 4D task name 01, that I have created there. So in my other video you can go there and you can watch how to create the project parameters or share parameter, or if you have any doubt or if you are facing any problem to creating the project parameter or share parameter inside the Revit, so you can comment, you can put your comments. So I will prepare a separate video how to create the parameters inside the Revit or inside the Primavera. So okay, that is actually basically material. So but I have choose here everything, so no problem. And exact, it is exact. Okay, and then we will save it. Okay, and that is saved. It's okay, and then we need to go here in search option. So basically it's searching the resource attribute and task attributes. So you can see that how quickly we can assign the 3D elements to our task ID. So basically it will take 2 to 5 minute times, because there is huge elements like 80,000, 85,000 3D elements are there. Yeah, you can see that here. So basically everything here is install appearance profile. So I will show you how to set the appearance profile, because here everything is related to construction install. So by default, actually it's choosing install. But suppose earthwork and you want to assign the earthwork excavation. So instead of install, then we need to choose the appearance profile remove. So okay, I will explain you later. So okay, here you can see that the everything is assigned here. Okay, this is resource, this is task. So basically you can see that in resource M rectangular column, which element ID is 692343, and basically inside our Primavera, I have created the user field, where for this I have created the user field column RCC. So okay, and then we will click here assign all. There are 74,000 potential assignments. It could take too much time. Yes. Operation finished successfully. Okay. So you can see that everything is assigned here. Okay. So I will play around the timeliner. So you can see that some elements are missing. Like you can see that here, this is lift. So okay, for lift, I think the 4D parameter is missing. So okay, for few elements manually also you can assign that. So that also I will show you. Okay, so these are the few elements which are missing in terms of the project or share parameters. Or I think I have forget to put the values inside our Primavera user defined field. So these are the I think most maximum 20-25 elements. So this is not big task, because uh, you can see here almost 79,000, or you can say that 80,000 elements are assigned quickly. So for 20-25 elements there is no big problem. We can do it manually. So, okay, we will play the timeliner here, and you can say that you can see that here. Yeah, okay, column, slab, okay, and block work, facade, everything is okay, coming perfectly. So, I discuss with you about the appearance profile. Okay, so for appearance profile, we need to go here in Windows and Windows, and here you can see that reports navigator. So okay, inside the navigator, you can see here the this is appearance profile. So basically that appearance profile, uh, by default it's choosing install. So you can customize the appearance profile, even suppose you can copy here and add, and you can mention here, so or CC column. Okay, so you will select the RCC column, active appearance, okay, green color, and growth simulation, here it is none. So if you want to simulate your column like bottom to top, then you can choose from here bottom to top. So okay, for one activity I can show you how to change the appearance profile, or how to by default. So okay, you can see here this is column RCC and 44 elements are assigned here. So you will go here in that activity, and by pressing the right button of your mouse, you will get a option select assign resource. Okay, so then you will go here in task properties, and in the task properties you need to go here in resource, and this is here appearance profile install. So you can choose the RCC column. Okay, so basically this is for which level? Basement 4. So okay, we will check it. See here, I will more zoom it. So because columns are selected here, see these columns are, so you can see here these columns are uh, particularly growing from bottom to top. So okay, this is the custom appearance profile. So here you can create different types of custom profile if you want to, suppose if you want to simulate your RCC or like left to right or right to left, or sometimes suppose the painting work you have to assign. So that for painting work you can uh, select, or you can customize the growth simulation appearance profile from top to bottom or bottom to top. So, and yes, manually I will show you how to assign these manually tasks. So okay, I will go here the lift. Okay, so lift wall shuttering, the lift installation basically it is. So, and you can see here this is Primavera schedule per, and everything is perfectly the WBS activity ID everything, and we have import the Primavera schedule inside the Synchro. So in other video I will explain you how to import the XCR or XML file inside the Synchro 4D. So okay, suppose for example, I am explaining you, like you will select this, and here you need to select this activity, and here you need to click the right button of your mouse and assign to selected task. So you can see that this is assigned here. So okay, in this tutorial, basically we have learned how to apply the auto attach rule inside the Synchro 4D. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, आज के लिए बस इतना ही, एंड मेरे चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कर दीजिए, ताकि मैं आप लोगों के पास में और भी सिंक्रो 4D प्राइमावेरा और आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स 4D प्लानिंग पावर बीआई से रिलेटेड वीडियोस इस यूट्यूब चैनल के थ्रू आप लोगों तक मैं पहुंचा सकूं।